That's what I'm going to be teaching you guys in today's video. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this in very few steps, so make sure to pay close attention. Okay, so let's get started. So you want to go to Leonardo, okay, as you guys can see, Leonardo AI, and then you want to select this particular one over here. So now all you want to do is to create an account. We have created an account over here, no credit card needed. Okay, so once you click on that, you can as well sign up with your Google account. Okay, so I can just continue with my Google account. Okay, and then you can just select your Google account, and you can as well just select your interest. As you guys can see, we can just go for our key test, and then we can just go for marketing, education, and culture arts, and I confirm this, and then you can as well go for this and this and next. Okay, so introducing, you can just click on maybe later. Okay, so this is where you want to come to, where you have image generation. Okay, so you want to come over here to image generation. Okay, or you can just come once you come here, this is where you want to input the prompt. Okay, so I can just say nice white interior background. Okay, and then it's gonna generate a normal vertical ratio background, because we didn't amend the settings, so it's gonna look like normal vertical TikTok or Instagram background. Okay, so as you guys can see, it looks very perfect. Okay, in order to make it that of YouTube, you want to come here to image dimensions, and then you want to scroll down to, this is image dimensions over here. Then you want to select this for YouTube, or you can just come here to 16:9, and then you want to click on generate to. Okay, so you can scroll up, and then we can say generate again. Okay, so this time it's gonna generate in form of the YouTube format. Okay, so I actually love all this, so you can just download this. This is where you want to download it, and as well download every single thing if you want. All right, so now once you're done with all this, all you want to do is to come to CapCut. And now all you want to do is to open CapCut over here. I'm going to drop the link to download CapCut in the description. Okay, for those who haven't used CapCut before, it's actually a very easy to use video editing software, and with it you can actually generate a lot of money. Okay, once you're good at it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can actually implement the idea of today's tutorial using CapCut. Okay, so once you open CapCut, this is how it looks like. And as well maximize this, and then you want to click on new project. And please note, you can as well do this on your mobile device. It's the same thing. You just want to go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on whatever mobile device you're making use of, and then you want to download CapCut. Okay, you want to go there and search for CAPCUT, and then once you download it, it's basically the same process. Okay, all you want to do is to add the particular raw video, which I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Okay, so I'm just going to come to YouTube over here, and then I'm going to look for the raw video with my camera. So let's go for this one. Okay, let's go for this particular one, or let's go for this one. Okay, all right, so once you add the particular clip, all you want to do after that is to also add those pictures you actually created or generated from Leonardo AI. Okay, so I'm going to click on import over here. Okay, and then you want to go to download. Okay, this is download over here. As you guys can see, 1 2 3 4, let's just go for 5. Okay, and then open. All right. And then after you've done that, all you want to do to make this work is to add this pictures one by one. As you guys can see, I just drag them down. Okay, as you guys can see, we have 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Okay, depending on whatever image you want to do. After you've added them, okay, all you want to do is to drag this. If you're using a PC, you just want to drag it, okay, to the top. All right, now automatically it becomes an overlay. If you're using your mobile device, you just want to add the video as an overlay. Okay, you want to click on the video and then add as an overlay. It's basically the same thing. Now once you've done that, okay, we can just cut it to the part we want to make use of. Okay, and then we can just cut this out. Let's just cut this out. delete, and I'm just going to reduce the volume. All right, so all you want to do right now is to click on the video, and then you want to come to cutout and then auto cutout. Okay, and if you're making use of your mobile device, you want to as well do the same thing. You just want to click on the overlay, and then you want to click on remove background. Okay, or you can as well click on cutout. Okay, it depends on which updated version you're using. It depends on whichever updated version you're making use of. Okay, so it can either be the auto cutout on the mobile or remove background. Either one, it's still the same thing. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for these to reach 100. As you guys can see, it's still ongoing. Okay, so you want to wait for it to reach 100. So as you guys can see, once it's at 100, we can see that my background is actually different right now. So guys, that's easy. All you want to do, once again, just a summary, is you want to go to Leonardo AI. And the reason why we are making use of this Leonardo is because you're generating a totally new picture. You're not, using other people's ideas or other people's pictures to avoid copyright issues and other policy issues. Okay, so that's why we're making use of Leonardo AI. Okay, so once you use Leonardo AI to generate whatever idea you want, all you want to do is to use CapCut, which is actually a very easy video editing software, and then you want to paste the pictures and also add that video as an overlay. That's easier. Putting the video on top, that's the meaning of overlay. That's the meaning of overlay. You're adding the video on top of the pictures, and then you want to remove the background. That's basically it. It's that's easy. So I believe you guys have learned a lot already from this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe so as to ensure you always don't miss out on highly informative content like what you're watching right now. And yeah, also drop a like on today's video and also share. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.